guys, what is up? Astro here, bringing guys another video. And today we're playing some Monster Squad. And basically, if you don't know what's happening, there's a new raid. And this raid is really epic. And not to lie, this raid is actually the best raid. So, I'll tell you why this is the best raid, because you can get Panamon, you can get that S dude, which if you use him on PvP, it's gonna be really strong and OP if you're using him. So this raid it's really easy to beat. It is just really easy. Guys, if you guys know that I wasn't really playing Monster Squad that lately, let's see how much I wasn't playing actually. I wasn't actually playing Monster Squad about one week. And if you guys don't know why I didn't play 1 week, is that I was a bit bored, and the thing I was waiting for is I was waiting for the event to happen. Well, this is the new event, and yes. Bro, this is actually, in my opinion, this is actually the best raid ever. Cause I'm keep on getting these monsters, two of these monsters that I got, and which I can farm for him. That is just really good. Okay, next, let's go on the next one. Ato. If you guys want to add me as a friend, listen. Prop Hunter SE. No capitals, but Prop Hunter SE. I'll link it in the below section if you guys want to know. And add me, yeah. Yes, again, that's just, oh my goodness. Guys, okay, if you guys know, there's a trick of this raid, is, what is this guy's name? Karato. And as you guys see, if you go in evolution, you need one of this, 4, and you need one. It's really easy to get him actually. But I have how much of this? 4. I think I have 4. Okay, I have 3, and I can get this really easily if I use my OP skills. So that's gonna be really easy to get. Yes, I can get a 38 level him. So that is a strat of this game. Okay. But this is actually really OP. I can actually get a S+ now for this raid. Okay, this raid I'm gonna do it every day now. Like really guys. Fantastic. First I will use this, no protection, block. And after that, I am actually going to keep on using shield. Look at those hits on him. Can't stand anything. Okay, I'm gonna wrap you up now. That was OP. That was overpowered. That was actually overpowered. I underestimate the power of Medusa. I underestimate the power. I thought I already could have ended him up, but I thought that she's weak. Okay, that is really strong, but I'm actually gonna wrap it up with pre-core. 1 hit, she dies. Like 2 or 3 hits. 2 hits. Let's go. If you guys know why wasn't I recording Monster Squad, is because it was just pretty boring. and I didn't really like it that much anymore. Like, okay, see what we get. Yes, we got that. That's good. That's really great. Yes, we got that. But that does nothing. But this time I need a healer. I'm sorry, but I gotta replace you. But I am really low on health. Like, one hit, I'm just gonna die. You guys letting me know, like, I'm not gonna do, like, people been asking me when I'm gonna do the Q&A, and I'm actually gonna do it, like, this week, guys, and, yes, but it's gonna take a while. It might be, yeah, it's gonna be tomorrow, guys, so be ready to put all your comments below, and I will do the Q&A tomorrow, promise you guys. So if you guys know how you actually can beat this stage, is that you guys need a epic squad, like as mine, like mine's is an epic squad. You guys need like you need at least this squad. This squad is awesome. My team is awesome. But I didn't really play it a lot, and I quit it like 6 months, 7 months, and that's why how I got these monsters. And if you guys wondering, my monster sucks, and that's why I wasn't really playing that much, if you guys asking me. But so far, I'm still gonna get wrecked, but I don't really play a lot now, cause but in the future, I'm still gonna play the game, guys. But just for a while. So if you guys asking, Dead. Awesome power. Literally awesome power. Come on. Let me beat this up, Panama. But I need a weak team, because Panama, he can actually one-hit my whole squad. So I need... Okay, is it the boss now? No, it isn't. So I'm recording a lover's song. Okay, that does a lot of health to me. So, okay, that was stupid. Please shout out Ash's girlfriend name. Hey, you don't know this. Don't be the discussion alone. And but what if my brother's gay? He's always been gay. He's talking about penis and all that. Like, exposed. Hope you guys know that, YouTubers out there. That's actually a lie, because I don't do that. That's actually a lie. We've been sucking Kato's dick, niggles, everything. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna cut that out, but, yeah. But, basically, yeah. So, yeah. Oh no! Panda gonna wreck my face. Panda ball, you gonna wreck my face, huh? Panda ball, you gonna wreck my face, huh? Huh? Wreck my face? You wanna wreck my face? No, you're not. Fire, fire. Come on, wreck my face already. Come on, something wrong. I'm done. Guys, I can't beat this. I can't beat this. Guys, I can't beat this. Guys, I actually cannot beat this. I can't beat this. You literally just one-shot me. Everyone's eyes. That's OP. Overpowered. Overpowered. One shot, my team dead. Strongest. Okay. This is one of the best raids ever. The hardest raids. Let's see if my pre-core can do it. It's gonna do it. Okay, this is really OP. Oh. Or not. You think I'm so weak? Die. One hit. Come on. Yeah. Okay, give me Panabon's 4-star mode. Come on. The 4-star. Or 3-star, I guess. But I hope you guys enjoyed this gameplay. If you guys wondering why I'm not doing this the full, cause I'm already gonna lose. You're just gonna one-hit shot me. But I hope you guys enjoy this video and peace.